Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be converting this expression from radians to degrees. Now it might look intimidating because you have it in fraction. You have 13 over 4 pi radians. Now don't look at the 13 over 4 or don't get intimidated with the 13 over 4. Rather, it's very simple. Remember that your pi radian is equals to 180 degrees. Now if 1 pi radian is equals to 180 degrees, 13 all over 4 pi radians will be equals to 180 times 13 over 4. 2 here is 2. 2 in 180 is 90. 2 here is 1. 2 in 90 is 45. So that my 13 all over 4 pi radians is the same thing as 45 times 13 all in degrees. Now let's multiply 45 by 13. That's the last part of the question. 5, and here is 15, that's 3. And here is 5 and 4. That's 585 in degrees. So 13 over 4 pi radians is the same thing as 585 in degrees. As you can see, it's simple as I promised. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.